How to make the material and video perfectly blend without cutout. Open VideoAE and click Make Video to enter the production page. First, set the resolution size, which is the size of the video you want to make. Then import the picture or video you want to make from resource. Scale the image to the same size as the production page if necessary. You can adjust the layer duration in Tools. Then import the video material from resource. The material and the layer we want to make must keep the same duration. The last step is to click the Blend button in the Tools in the lower left corner to find a suitable fusion effect. If it is a black background, it is best to use the lighting effect. You can see that the material and our image are perfectly integrated at this time. It's not obtrusive at all. No matter what, the picture can be perfectly blended. Did you learn?